Hi guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. Today I am Gurbani Rohella. I'm going to show you some cool art supplies. So let's get started. Now my first art supplies is this new Dom's sketchbook. You can use it on pencils and charcoal pencils, paints and crayons, and this is a very heavy paper. And how many sheets does it even have? It has 72 pages in it, and this is what it looks like from the front. So this is an A4 size paper, and it is an and you can also use any type of inks and anything here. This is a heavyweight paper. So this is my first thing. My second thing that I have to show you today is my Dom's pastel brush pens. So I'll show you these new brush pens of mine. So now I think you can see it entirely. The special thing about it is that over here what you can do is you can mix these two colors in the white brush pen, and then you can have this type of effect on it. And this is that white brush. It is completely blank. It doesn't have any color on it, and the colors are very pretty. And my favorite color is this blue color. These are just like brush pens, but they are pastel in colors. Pastel means light in colors. This was my second thing. And now let's move on to our third thing. Are these another set of markers that I have, but these are not brush pens. These are 2-in-1 pens. So we open it like this. It has a little hanger on it, and these are all the colors it has. It has total 24 shades. Each marker has the name on the top. I hope you can actually see it. It's 24 number, and it is called Marigold. So what's the special thing about it? This one side, it is a fine tip, and the other side is it a chisel nib, or we can call it a board nib. This is how they look like. Each one has a number on it and the color name as well. We have lots of shades of red. This one is number 14, and this one is 10. This is 15. This is 2. This is 24. We have 33. We have 24. We have 33. We have 37. We have 26. And then we have 48, 50, what is that, 56, 59, 59, we have 46, we have 53, and many other numbers as well. The most special number I think is this one, which is CG5, I don't know what that actually means, WG5, GG5, I don't know, but they're all like this. Like this they look. We can have the caps on it. And my favorite color from this entire set is this pastel pink, and this, what is this color? This is turquoise green. These are my two favorite colors in this entire set. We have all the three items that I showed you in this video in front of us. Now I will tell you the price of each one. We started with a sketchbook, and the price of this is 145 rupees. And then we have these 24 colors. These ones are of, and these pens were of 540 rupees, not and 540 rupees. And these brush pens were of, I don't know, what is it? It is of 200 rupees. The most expensive thing we have got is this one, which is a 540. So these are all the things that I have to show you today. I will soon make a video showing you all how they work and how they are. So stay tuned for that. Bye. Until then, stay happy and make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.